seen how passionate he is? Huh? Have you? I don't see that passion from Ravindra Jadeja.
So we are cooking Chennai style sambar and Bangalore style sambar.
It's CSK versus RCB round 1. So let's look at the ingredients we need for this recipe. We have tur dal, ghee, curry leaves. As you can see, it's already ready.
So we also have multiple ingredients. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 ingredients. Tala for a reason.
That's the best sambar with. Thank you.
So Amrita, how do you feel like RCB losing for 20 years?
It has taught me what it is to be loyal. Even though they have lost every year, I continuously support them. But then, we did win WPL this year, so maybe we have broken the curse. Let's wait and watch.
So Amrita, what do you like about Virat Kohli so much?
His wife. I'm kidding. And his passion for the game. Like when he first started playing, I wasn't a fan of his, but then he's so passionate about the game that he pulls everybody in and you are feeling the emotions with him. Yeah, what's your fondest type ability?
Yeah, so I remember last year I was in college and me and my friends we went for an IPL final match watch party.
Oh, the one against GT?
Yeah, the one against GT, and it was really good and we ended the whole thing crying and like just most of my friends were doing the same. What's yours?
Oh, I have so many, but I feel like there has been more heartbreaks rather than happy memories. So, peace out of nothing.
Okay, maybe we should have this.
Okay, I'm out of here. Bye.
So, what do you guys think is the main difference between Chennai and Bangalore style sambar?
Oh, so I think like Chennai's heat and climate, even Chennai sambar is more towards that hot, spicy side compared to Bangalore sambar.
I mean, Bangalore sambar, I think this is a breakfast sambar, so it's a little sweet. But then, just like how Bangalore is a combination of different cultures, we have sweet, we have spicy, and we have a variety of sambars. Let's go, let's switch and see if this is better. Not bad, I like it.
Even I like it.
Tala for a reason?
Yes, Tala for a reason.
Four of us chose one, and the winner is RCB. The only thing they are winning.
I hear that RCB won. Maybe this is the year. Let's go.